In Algebra 1, this would be a good example for students to be able to see lines that are parallel. So by using the desmos tool, students will be able to type in the equation y equals x minus 3, and they can kind of zoom around, they can zoom in if they want. And the example here is to come up with another line that passes through 2, 5 and is parallel to this y equals x minus 3. So what students will do is they'll use point slope form y minus 5 equals, and since they know that it's parallel, they will then see that the slope is still 1, and then they'll type in x minus 2. And from there they can simplify a little bit. Y minus 5 equals x minus 2, and then they'll add 5 over to both sides, so they'll end up with y equals x plus 3. So this is the new equation that they will then graph. So they will add, we can just press enter, y equals x plus 3, and they'll see that the lines are parallel, and then they can verify that it goes through to 5 by putting their point over 2, 5, and then that point will show up there. So that's my example for using the graph on Desmos. Thanks.